Hi, I'm Patricia Louise Nelson, attorney with Spruce Law in Bend, Oregon. I'm often asked, what is probate? Probate is the court implementation of an estate when someone dies. It ensures that their creditors are paid and that the assets are distributed to the next people who will own those assets. So I wanted to address some frequently asked questions about probate. Number one, and this is the primary misconception of most of my probate clients. Hey, the person who died had a will. Doesn't that avoid probate? Unfortunately, it doesn't. Why do I say unfortunately? Generally speaking, probate is viewed as something to be avoided. Why? It's expensive. It very frequently costs $6,000 to $9,000 in attorney fees and another almost $1,500 in other costs like court filing fees and publication costs and recording fees. In addition to being expensive, it's time consuming. It very frequently takes 7 to 9 months to complete the probate process, and during that time, it is a part-time job for the person in charge. And the third reason to avoid probate is it's public. Anyone who wants to can go down to the courthouse and look at the court records, and for 25 cents a page, make copies of the court records. Court records will include a copy of the will if there is one, information about the heirs, information about the assets. For a lot of people, that is private information and they don't want it to be public record. So, if probate's so horrible, why not always avoid it? There are certain limited circumstances where probate's really helpful. And the reason is because probate has the effect of cutting off the claims of unknown creditors. What the heck does that mean? Okay, when we publish notice in the back of the newspaper in the very fine print, anyone who is in the vicinity of that newspaper has 4 months to come forward from the date of first publication of that notice, or their claim is limited to insurance claims. So if a person dies in a car wreck that maybe they caused for whatever reason, and they injure other people or cause damage to property, we might want to probate that estate and give notice to the property owner or the injured person so that that person only has 4 months to come forward. It's really important to consider the pros and cons of probate before just always avoiding it. So if we've decided a probate's necessary, do you need an attorney to complete a probate? The technical answer is no. No, you don't. The practical answer is, I believe that you'll be very well served to have an attorney, particularly in Oregon. When my dad died, I did his probate in 2 different states, Washington and Montana, and it was very simple and very inexpensive, and I had an attorney in each state assist me. In Oregon, it's not simple, it's not easy, and it's not inexpensive. We recommend you get a competent, experienced probate attorney to help you with the process, but the decision's yours. We do not charge for our initial consultation regarding a probate. Give us a call. Let's figure out these different pieces of the puzzle.